This message is about the character of being stoic person. So please allow me to share with you my journey in becoming police commission officer. Yes, you heard it right. I was supposed to be a member of PNP Lateral Class 2021. I passed the written competitive exam as top 7, but God is good. Fortunately enough, I was not admitted because of my BMI. I'm overweight at that time, 96 kilos po ako. But God is good because I was able to take my bar examination. And at the same time, I was able to assist my mother. What is the connection? Because my father died one day before taking my bar examination. How could you imagine that? According to many, taking bar examination is the hardest exam. But for me, pinahirap pa ito ng sitwasyon. I'm very close with my dad. He's my confidant. So it's really hard for me when I saw his coffin. I don't even try to glance into it. Sabi sa movie, pagka ganyan nangyari sa'yo, i-dedicate mo. I tried and I said, Daddy, para sa iyo itong bar exam na to. Pero sa movie lang pala yun. Because my eyes were filled with tears. So instead, inisip ko, hindi siya namatay. Ang sabi ko, umalis lang siya. To cut the story short, I passed the bar examination as exemplary passer. Just to clarify, during our time, the list of top-notchers was removed and it was replaced by the term bar exemplary passer. So I, in effect, the person in front of you ay isa palang top-notcher sa bar exam. Proud? Happy? But for me, it is mixed emotion. Because I want to celebrate it, but the person whom I want to celebrate with is already with our Creator. But I believe that God has a plan for everything. The Bible substantially provides that I know the plans I have for you, not to harm you, but to prosper you. Maybe talagang nilaan ako sa pinaglaan. Kaya some of you were confused, if not being amazed, on how I can lead this class as your president. Maybe the answer for that question is simple. Because of my past experiences that strengthened me. But I do not wish you to experience what I had para lang masabing matibay ka. But as a leader, we must add in our character, the character of being a stoic person. Stoic persons are those who are not being too emotionally affected when things don't go as planned. Stoic persons are those who stop thinking about negative things and start looking on how to make things positively. Stoic persons are those who consider that having a feeling makes us human. Though we cannot control how we feel, but at least we can manage on how we react to our feelings. In other words, to simply put, ito yung tipo na hirap ka na sa sitwasyon, pero kinakaya mo pa rin. So as we go along in our journey, kamustahin mo yung mga laan na katabi mo because we never know whether they are suffering from something. Always find time to smile to them, to say hi and hello. If they are sad, tanungin mo, bakit malungkot ang beshi ko? Pag ayaw umiti, sabihin mo, grabe na lungkot yan, insan. Mekos-mekos na yan. At times, you have to do that. Because as a leader, it is not about being the best. But it is about making everyone else feel better. Again, a pleasant day to everyone.